Windows with bent or damaged frame corners from impact damage can seriously mess with your home's vibe and energy efficiency, so knowing when to fix or replace is clutch. Alright, so if your window frame corners are bent or damaged from some kind of impact, first thing is to check how bad it really is. Like, minor dents or bends might be fixable with some elbow grease and a little hammering, but if the frame is cracked or twisted out of shape, replacement could be your go-to. Next, look at the material. Vinyl or aluminum frames might be easier to repair than wood ones, which can rot or splinter after damage. Don't forget to check if the damage is causing drafts or leaks, because that's a big no-no for keeping your place comfy and energy bills low. If you decide to repair, use a sealant or filler designed for your frame material to patch up gaps or cracks after bending things back into shape. For bigger repairs, you might need to pull off the frame and bring it to a pro for reshaping or welding. Always double check that the window still opens and closes smoothly after your fix, so you don't trap yourself inside or outside. And if you're unsure or it looks messy, sometimes swapping out the whole frame saves you headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bent window frames from impact damage is ignoring the problem because it looks small, but that can lead to bigger leaks and costly energy loss later on. Another common screw-up is trying to patch it up with the wrong materials or DIY methods that don't hold, which ends in more damage or safety risks. The third issue is not checking if the window still functions properly after a fix. If it doesn't open or close right, that's a serious problem for security and ventilation. To fix these, always inspect for hidden damage beyond what you see. Use repair kits made for your window's material, and test the window operation thoroughly before calling it done. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about window repairs and replacements. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, making the whole process way easier for everyone.